Welcome back. Let us see how we can create a gauge chart or GOT chart in Power BI. So in the visualization pane, we can see here an option for a gauge chart. So we just have to click on it and a gauge chart will appear. So in order to fill the data, I have actually created a dummy data for that. So let me explain you about that. So this is the dummy table which I have created consisting of the months and the sales for each and every month and the target sales. I've also added some minimum and some maximum value to the table for every individual month. So here what we will do is in the value, we will insert the actual sales value in the values. So as we can see, it is showing the sum of the actual sales of all the 12 months. So here we can see it is only covering the 50% part of the gauge and the rest 50 is blank. What happens is in gauge chart, whenever we insert some value only the value pane, so what happens, it shows it as a 50% value and it doubles the value and it is shown on the other side. So it only covers the 50% part and the rest 50% part is blank. So that is happening here. And let me add other values in another panes. So we will add target sales in the target value. So here we can see that our target sales was 10k, but we only reached to 8558. And let me increase the size of the data labels so it will be visible properly. Data labels, I will do it in 3, and for target labels also 23. Okay, so now it's visible properly. So our target value was 10k and we have only reached 8558. So I will add a filter, a slicer in order to explain properly. We add months. What I will do is I will add it as a tiles. So here we have all the 12 months. So we can select each and every month and we will get the target value and the actual sales value for that particular month. So as we can see for April, our target value was 832 and we have only reached 642. For December, the target value was 854 and actually we have crossed the target value. So here we have the values and the target value. Now what we will do is we will add minimum and a maximum value. So as you saw in the table, for minimum value I have added 0 and for maximum value I have added 1000 for every month. Okay. Let me remove this filter for now. Okay. So here it can be seen that for all the 12 months, the maximum value was 1000. So it is adding all the 1000 value for 12 months and showing as 12k. And now our target is 10k and we have only reached 8558. And our minimum value was 0 for every month. So it's showing as 0 over here. So we can filter out for every month as we did earlier and we can get the data for a particular month. Okay. So let me do it again. So for April, our minimum value was 0, maximum was 1000. Our target value was 832 and we have only done a sales of 642. For December, we have crossed our target value, which was 854 and our actual sale was 899. The minimum was 0, the maximum was 1000. So for every month, we can see the data for every individual month. So okay, so let's also look into the formatting part, the basic general formatting. What we will do is we will do some formatting for the heading. Add a background color. Give text color white. Take it to the center. And name is as quad chart. We will add some effects, some borders, rounded border, and shadow. Okay. So this is our gauge chart. Let me make this filter simpler. So I will do it as a drop down. For selection, I will add a select all option. Okay, so we can select all the months, or we can select a particular month to get a data for a particular month. So this is how a gauge chart or GOT chart is created in Power BI. I hope you have understood how to create a gauge chart and the concept behind the minimum and the maximum, the target value and all those things. So thank you for watching the video.